We live in a time when the world feels divided, where anger speaks louder than compassion, and pride overshadows purpose. But God still calls His people and our leaders to rise to something higher, to what is noble, what is right, what is pure, lovely, admirable, excellent, and praiseworthy. Across our cities and small towns, the cries of the people grow louder. Families struggling to afford food, workers without jobs, elders choosing between medicine and meals. This is not the world we were meant to build. It's not the heart of a nation that was founded on faith, hope, and love. Our politics have turned into battlefields, where hate replaces help and division replaces direction. But there is still time to turn this around. Not by more arguments, but by more compassion. Not by fear, but by faith. When we remember that every decision affects a human life, when leaders choose service over status, and people choose unity over bitterness, then we will see healing in our land. This is our moment to return to what is admirable, to do what is excellent and praiseworthy before God, to speak truth in love, to build instead of destroy, to care instead of criticize. If we halt hate and embrace love, if we trade division for compassion, then the dry ground of despair will once again bear fruit. The healing of a nation begins when hearts turn toward what is noble. And that begins with us.